Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about boxers' fractures. In particular, we'll discuss how to heal them more quickly. They're common among boxers, wrestlers, and a guy who punches walls. Ouch. Before we get going, can you name this legendary boxer? Leave a comment below if you can name him. Answer coming up. A boxer's fracture is a break through the bones of the hand that form the knuckles. Some doctors use the term brawler's fracture rather than boxer's fracture because a boxer is not likely to get this injury. The less well-trained brawlers have to learn how to punch without hurting themselves. So if you're suffering from a boxer's fracture, here are some tips for healing them. Apply ice to the hand. Use a splint to hold it stable while it heals. Don't use your hand for a period of time. Keep your hand elevated above heart level. Take prescription or over-the-counter pain medication depending on the amount of pain. Clean and treat any wounds on the skin of the injured hand. Otherwise, it just takes time, and a good diet and rest don't hurt either. These things do ache and take a while. So who was that mystery boxer? Mike Tyson. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.